Hi, in this video let me show you how to load the ink and also how to replace the ink cartridges in your Brother WorkSmart MFC-J1410DW printer. You're going to go on the right side and you're going to notice there's a small lip. Push it towards you and this lid will come down. It's important to input the ink cartridges in the right spot and never mix them up. I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get replacement ink cartridges. Okay, this printer takes the Brother LC501. So let's start with the magenta. Each ink cartridges will have their name on the side. Over here we have M for magenta. You're going to take it this way, okay, with 2 fingers on each side of this label. And you're going to push it in the appropriate slot. And once you're over here, on the ink cartridge itself, it's saying push. Take your thumb and simply push it until it clicks. Let's do the next one, which is the cyan. That's how it looks, C for cyan. I will glide it, and at the end with my thumb, I'm gonna click it in place. Same thing for the yellow ink cartridge. I'm gliding and I'm pushing. And finally the black one, which is larger, it's normal. So that's how you install them. Every time you want to replace one of them, you're going to put your finger on the top and you're going to push down to unlock it. And then you'll be able to slide it out. Let's do it. So, oops, okay, perfect. Just like that. At the end, put back the lid, and this is about it. If it's the first time you're inputting ink in this printer, you're going to get this message, filling the ink reservoir with ink from cartridge, and at this point simply press next, and it will tell you how many minutes it will take. Over here 6 minutes. Simply be patient and yeah, it will be done. Again, check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink cartridges directly from Amazon that you know will be compatible. This printer takes the LC501 and also the LC501XL. These will cost more but will hold more ink. See you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment.